National symbols of a country represent its rich culture and heritage. National symbols are important because the symbols signify the important link to people and promote patriotism. The Republic of India also has several official national symbols that were picked up at various times. Today, the children of class UKGA are going to present a thematic assembly on national symbols. The flower of goddess Lakshmi, which symbolizes wealth and prosperity. Lotus flower has a very significant position in Indian mythology. Viren is here to tell us about lotus as our national flower.
It is an aquatic herb and enjoys sexual status among Indian culture and symbolizes fertility, wealth, knowledge, along with purity of heart and mind. It is the national flower of India.
Also known as Kalpavriksha, the banyan tree represents eternal life. Huge structure and deep roots of banyan tree symbolizes country's unity. Harnoor is here as banyan tree.
Banyan tree symbolizes immortality because of its ever-expanding branches. It is the national tree of India.
Mangoes are native to India and thus truly Indian. It is one of the most important and widely cultivated fruit of the tropical world. Riddhi and Bhavin are here as national fruit mango.
मैं फलों का राजा हूँ, आँखें आता हूँ, रंगी पीला मेरा रंग, बड़े मीठे ठंड। मैं हूँ इसलिए फल, खट्टा मीठा मीठा, गर्मी में आता हूँ, बाकी दिन छुप जाता हूँ। Also known as king of fruits, mango is the national fruit of India. As national fruit, it represents prosperity, abundance and richness in favor of the country's image.
Stands on a full-bloomed inverted lotus flower. National emblem of India signifies peace and goodwill among the nations of the world. Sanvi is here to tell us more about our national emblem.
National emblem of India is adopted from lion, capital of sky and thunder, is that four lions standing back to back, symbolizing power, pride, courage and confidence. Its motto is Satyam Ek Jayate.
Currency is a medium of exchange for goods and services which is recognized by the government. The Indian rupee was named after the silver coin called rupaya. Kavya is telling us more about our national currency.
Indian rupee is the official currency of the Republic of India. The flow of this currency is controlled by Reserve Bank of India.
Because of its rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian traditions, the peacock was declared as national bird. Sehaj and Anahita are here to tell us more about peacock as a national bird.
राष्ट्रीय पक्षी का मान है, देश की ये शान है, रिमझिम बारिश आए, वो नाच दिखाए, हरे नीले पंख फैलाए, वो सबको पाए। Peacock symbolize elegance. It is a symbol of grace and beauty. It was declared as a national bird in 1963. It was entirely a part of Indian custom and culture.
National flag is a symbol of pride for a country. The Indian national flag represents the hopes and aspirations of the people of India. Let's know more about our national flag from Sarthak.
Tiranga is the national flag of India. It has three colors: saffron at the top, white in the middle, green at the bottom. It was adopted in 22nd July 1947.
Symbol of India's spiritual heritage. River Ganga is considered the most sacred river in the Hindu religion. Here comes Varis representing our national river.
The Ganga is the national river of India. It originates from Gangotri Glacier. It is also the longest river in India.
To save dolphins from extinction, the Union government has declared them as the national aquatic animal. The dolphins found in the Ganga are the rare species. Now comes Arnav as national aquatic animal.
Ganges the dolphin has been declared as national aquatic animal. It lives fresh water.
It is a compelling song that inspires and instigates the feeling of patriotism in every Indian. The song was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1870 and was sung for the first time by Rabindranath Tagore in 1896. Atharv is telling us about national song.
It was a great source of inspiration during freedom struggle.
Each national symbol of India has deep-rooted significance to the Indian subcontinent. It also signifies country's culture and community. That was a wonderful performance by the students of UKGA representing the various national symbols of India. With that, we end this thematic assembly and wish you all a very happy Republic Day.